looked at people making money online and thought, where do I even begin? Or maybe you've heard about ChatGPT, but all it sounds like it's too technical, it's too big, it's too classy, not for your class. No. Well, guess right now. I was right there. I've seen our friends there, and no experience is needed, no audience is needed, no laptop for your own information, just your smartphone, curiosity, idea, and the willingness to try. In this video, guys, I'll be showing you exactly how people are making their first $100 online using ChatGPT. It will be like a step-by-step tutorial, but it's sort of summary with zero upfront cost and without needing to be a techno expert. They are genius, right? So today's video, I'm going to make you understand how people are making their first $100 with ChatGPT when they are totally new. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your beautiful lady, the lady who said I cannot hold a smartphone and I beg for bread. No, we let's beg something that is bigger but not a million, not the food for today. You guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial controller. I'm not a financial guru. I'm a simple lady who decided to say, let me teach you, let me show you what other people are doing. And when they do it, you think these people are they go underwater, they go underground, they are satanic. Where do they get their water from? It's very simple. I'm going to show you how you can make your first $100 from ChatGPT or with ChatGPT as a total beginner. So as we dive in, I want to say thank you to our special top engagers on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on all our social media platforms. I love you so much. Thank you very much. Like, comment, share to your friends, let them know that these things are doable. We can do them. So if you've been waiting for a clear path for you guys to follow, this is it. Don't click away. Let's finish together. I promise this could be a video that changes your mindset or that changes your hustle. We're going to be understanding first, because some of you don't know what ChatGPT is. Let's understand what is ChatGPT. And I'm going to quickly break it down. ChatGPT is an AI tool that helps you generate written content. And also it comes up with business ideas. It writes ads, it writes emails, literally it almost anything that text-based it is going to do for you. Even if it is even photo, graphics, it can do for you, including videos. But here is the key in today's video. You don't need to know how to code, how to be a professional writer, no. You just need an idea and a zeal. This is the platform that has helped me to make money, and it has helped many people there to make money in different ways. I started with just this app, a free account and an idea as me, and most people have begun like the way I began. But how do you think, if you hear our title and our focus is on the first 100 idea, what is the plan for sure? We're going to see how they are doing it, how I'm doing it, and how you can do it. First, you have to jump on some platforms if you're a beginner. Platforms for freelancing like FIFA, Upwork, Facebook groups, and even some customized based platforms. But here what you do, you go there and customize your profile. You sign in. The moment you you click in FIFA or Upwork, even Facebook groups, you sign in, you put your profile, you customize it to be used based on your experience. Then the second one, you create a simple gig offering social media captions and product description. Like for example, when you finish creating it, you write it using ChatGPT. This gig, you can use your ChatGPT. This is the first plan. Now listen, you shouldn't pretend to be a pro. You simply tell clients that you could help them write engaging posts. Like mine right now, someone is writing for me. At the same time, and I came to see, is writing using ChatGPT. because I'm using ChatGPT, so I know what it is. But because it is hectic for me to run all these things, I gave it to somebody and is using ChatGPT and is being paid. No problem. And ChatGPT can handle for you 80% of the work. You just put in 20%. All you want, you need to polish, you need to deliver, you need to communicate confidently to these individuals. So how do you make $10? Like, for example, do you know you can make $10 just writing a product, like 5 product descriptions? If I'm giving you like a glass, I'm giving you any product here, this perfume, you can go direct and write your description of this product with ChatGPT. Then a few days later, you even write something like on captions about someone's business page, like if you talk about any business page. Then you will find these two things makes for you 25%, or 25% of the total income that you used to earn. Let's say it can even make for you $30, around $25 to $30 more, and even you can even term it to be 100 more. It can grow slowly, but the results will be real. Why is it so? Because you are beginning, and all you need it is to show up and be consistent and deliver. Don't be like people who are starting today with a zeal, tomorrow they go down. Then in the third part, what really can help you stand out is what I want to tell you. For you to focus on getting the other $100 from ChatGPT as a beginner. I know you might be thinking, but won't everyone be doing this? Yes, everybody's doing this. Everybody's using it. But let me tell you something. This is how you can stand out as a beginner. Irrespective of everyone doing it, just do quick delivery. Service is just create your own service. Not everybody can do customer care. Thanks to ChatGPT, this one, it can respond very fast. Then the second one, customer samples. This is how you can beat the competition on this platform. Customer samples, you can be there, make free samples for people. Because free samples can be done in minutes. And in minutes, you just send for them. And people get excited. This is what people are doing. Most people in my DM about the thumbnails of videos, they go, use ChatGPT, make it look very beautiful, send for me samples and refine my heart hypes. The person doing for me my thumbnail, this is what he did for me, and I selected him. I've been selecting other people, but this one became the perfect one. Then the third one for you, how you can stand out, is to have clear communication. What you do, you need to act professionally, even though you're just starting. Because I remember the first person for the thumbnail, he wasn't acting professionally. His customer care was very bad. His talking was not good. So for you to stand out, you have, like the way the person who is doing for me thumbnail, is down to earth, to the extent that we speak, you really feel he's a professional person. So in this one, these three things can make your clients want results, because even can make them want more. And remember, the clients want results, so they don't care if you use AI, as long as it works. This is even me. That's what I say. Then the fourth part in having your target for $100 is how can you really start today? I know this is what you're still thinking also. If you're still watching, I know you're wondering, is this doable? Yes, it can be done. But wait, here is how to start. What I want you to do, I want you to go to your laptop, to your phone, get it, open ChatGPT. It has 2 versions, the free one and the premium. Just go for the free version as you start. Pick one simple service, like writing documents or bios, or creating captions or summarizing articles. One of them. After them, create an account on a free platform. One of the platform that I like is Fiverr and Freelance, even with Facebook pages. Then go start small. Even $5, I'm telling you, I always celebrate $0.2, I celebrate it for any job done. So is you. if you get $5, yes, $5 might look small for somebody who has already gotten it, $10, but it adds up, and in adding up, it will come to your $100. Your first $100 could be just a few conversations away. So, but you have to have a beginning, and this is how you can do it. Let's go to what I feel for you, how you can do it really. Look, your first $100 online will just feel amazing. I'm telling you, you'll feel like you've gotten heaven on earth. Not because it's a lot, but because it proves one thing: you can do it. When I'm here preaching about it, it's because I know it can be done, and you can do it. Why not? I'm not a tech person. I'm not a technical expert. I didn't have any fancy tool when I started these things. I had just a smartphone, and I had a zeal and willingness to start. If I can do it, why not you? So you can. You guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, because I know all of us that are watching this can do it. Let me know in the comment section what kind of service you want to try first with ChatGPT. And if I have time, personally, I'll give you the tips on and even help you on how to get started. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.